So I'm just going to review the participation. Just to review, you're all putting up your hands, which is really good. You're all participating and explaining yourself. So continue doing that. So I'd like to see that. So I'm just going to review what Miss Vanessa just said. We said, show me your thumbs up or thumbs down that spaces do matter. Thumbs up that spaces do matter. So before we said we cannot measure like this, right? No? Does anybody want to explain why again? Yes?
Me?
Yeah.
Well, because there's spaces, and if you want to know the exact amount of the table, you're leaving out some centimeters.
So if you're measuring, for example, we're measuring this table and we're using these books, could we say that the table is 3 books long?
No.
No. So what should we do instead? Yes?
Stick all the books together, and if you need more books to complete the side of the table, then that's how book.
So I should put them like this, right?
Yes.
Stuck all together until I reach the end of the table, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now, can I measure the table using, pretend we don't have these books, right here. Can I measure the table using one book only?
Yes.
Yes. Why do you say yes? Does anybody say no first? Everybody agrees we could use the same one book to measure the entire table?
Yes.
Okay, so would you tell me why?
Because you can flip it like this.
Okay. So you're repeating your book until you reach all the way to the end? Okay, that's really good. Did anybody think of this idea also? Yes, so you know, I take the book, I could put my finger, or you could flip it, so you could put your finger here so I know. I take it, I reach again, put my finger here, and I'm repeating the book until I reach the end. Very good. So let's try, I'll try it like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So right here, can I say that the table is 5 books long?
Yes.
Yes? We could say that?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I have a question here though. We have a little bit of space left over. Does that matter?
Yes.
Can I say that the table is 5 books and a space extra?
Yes.
Yes? You say that when you measure? No? So let's try it again. So, when you measure something with the ruler, for example, you know, if you say it's 30 and you have a little bit left over, would you write on your test 30 and extra space left over?
No.
No, that's not the right thing to say. So, let me try it again. So, 1, 2, am I doing this right?
Yes.
3, 4, 5, and if I continue right here, do I count this as 6?
No.
No? Would you like to explain me why?
So, let's say you have those 6, you have those 5 books, but you see, if you want 6, you need an extra little space there, but you would say it's 5 and a half.
Okay, that's interesting. So I'm going to place these 5 books. I'm going to show you how it is with the 5 books, and we're gluing the books side by side so that there's no spaces. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a space left over. And we said that we could say, somebody said that we could say the book could measure a part of another book. So it could be, for example, half or a quarter or 3/4. But is it a whole book right here?
No.
No. So I can't, could I say that the table is 6 books long?
No.
No. How long do you think it is? Yes.
5 and a half.
5 and a half. You want to come show me? So how do we know exactly it's half?
Because we see 5 books here, and then it's half.
So half of this space is about half of this book. If I cut this book in half, for example, half of it would say that. So, do we all agree with what your classmate said?
Yes.
So, could we say that the bookshelf is
The table.
the table, sorry, is 5.5 books long? Yes. Good. That's good. So we said we needed half of this book. So, we said. So let's just review because you all guys were all very quick actually. What did we need to measure this table today? Yes.
Books?
We used books. Very good. Did we use rulers? No. Did we come up with a precise example measurement? Did we say that the whole table is 30 centimeters long today? No, because we just use books as our unit of measurement. Could we measure using different sizes of books? So could I say there's a big book, then a small book, a big book, then a small book?
No.
Kind of like what Miss Vanessa said with her feet. You can't do huge steps, then small steps, and then huge steps because that changes our answer, right?
Yes.
Good. And what are the ways we measured today? What did we use to measure?
Books and
Book.
steps.
Steps. And what other ways, aside from the books and steps, that could we use to measure in general? What are different things we could use to measure? Yes?
Meter stick.
A meter stick. Yes?
A ruler.
A ruler. Very good. Any more ideas?
Well, you could use a stick.
You could use a stick. Any stick you could find. You could use like we did with the books today. Any one more? Yes?
String.
String. Very good. And how did the books help us measure the entire table? Yes?
Well, it tells us like how many books the table is. Like instead of using a meter stick or something like that, it tells us like it is exactly like 5 books and a half. So
Very good. Okay, so thank you very much for your participation. You were all really great, and you all knew your stuff very well. All right, thank you.